Okay, I could not resist to make a project. Yes, I did. Oh my gosh, yeah. This papers I had a weekend and I was storing the papers that I printed out, and I could not resist. I was keep thinking about it. I keep thinking about it. So I thought, oh my gosh, this is a total waste. I definitely go start Monday working on the project and see if I can manage it, because today it's Tuesday already and this needs to be uploaded on Thursday. So I hate doing this quick notes, but yeah, I loved it, so I just did it. So what I made of the Lif Notes Journal Project Pack is a journal. Yeah. It's a pretty thick one. Let me measure this for you guys. So it's a 5 3/4 by 8.5 inch, and the spine is a 3 1/4 inch. So yeah, it's pretty big, and that's 21.5 by 15 centimeters, and it's an 8 centimeter thick spine. So yeah, I loved how it turns out. I always like chunky journals, but I had to make it quick because yeah, it needs to be uploaded today. So but still I spent 6 hours on it. Okay, yeah, but I need to make it quick, so there's no special decoration on, there is no lace on, well, especially for this. There's nothing else going on in this journal than only the paper pad, and I did the printable, and I did not use it all. No, I just, what I see, what I thought I was using, that was what I print, because the time was really short. But I'm gonna make a walkthrough. I'm gonna make a walkthrough together. So I made a pocket. In the front there's a pocket. Has some leftovers, and this opens up, and you can put something in here too. I thought yeah, there is something in here. Yay! Okay, so then this closes down, and the first thing that I absolutely love about this album is that these inserts, there were 5 inserts, and every one of them you can pull it out. So if you are working on something like this, and perhaps you are going to write something in here, and you don't like this thickness, because yeah, perhaps you're gonna add more and more and more, then you can take all these out. And I did this earlier, I think 2 years ago, and well, I saw a video this weekend and I thought, oh my gosh, Kim, yeah, perfect, you give me the idea to do that again. So I made these, so you can pull this out, each one of them, because there is an elastic binding in each one of them. So every one of them you can pull out. So let me see that. You can pull these out. So these are all stitched together, so there's nothing falling out. There's just, yeah, one little book. And then you can store these back in here like that. Ah, super easy, super cute. Alright, so I printed all the journaling pages, and I made tuck spots, and I cut out these images. Loads of cards you can cut out. This is also a tuck spot. I printed the back of each journaling page, and everything what you see is in that printable. I added some extra tags in here just to fill up some tuck spots. This is also a tuck spot, so you can still add lots and lots of extra things in here. So everything what you see is in the printable kit available. Absolutely stunning. And like I said, normally I would do so much more embellishments, but yeah, the time was too short to do that. But I think when you only use the papers, then you already have such a nice journal. So you don't have to always embellish and use lace, but you can, of course. Then this will be much more. There's also a tuck spot right there. So yeah, you can make this. I made this as a pocket. The file folders, I made this as a pocket, and you can make this so much more. But I think without it, it's already very cute and nice. This is also from the pack. I printed out on the front and on the back, so you can make it as a nice leather. And yeah, this goes on. And this pack, Tinne was inspired by cotton plants, so that is coming back on her prints, and it's so stunning. There are pockets in here. Like I said, there are nice big printable sheets available. The backgrounds, the front, like this greenish one. There is so much. Please check out her website. Check it out. There are tons of pages more that I could print out, but yeah, I already printed out so much, as you can see in the earlier video. And loads of tuck spots you can create. A pocket, tuck spots. So much! There is so much going on. I love these prints and the journaling pages. Look at this. This is just amazing. Absolutely. So I added some brown packaging papers that normally I would throw it away, but I just love the sound of it, and I think it's perfect to add in journals. And here we go, closure. So yeah, I think this looks pretty good. What do you think about? Look at these awesome cards there, and there are so much in this pack. So I hope you liked it, and yeah, I just added here and there some brown paper in it, so you can write something down. But you can add so much of your own tags or letters or anything. I like it. So yeah, it's pretty simple, but yeah, I just love it. I just wanted to show you what you can do with this pack. I don't want to waste it, that I printed out and I just lay it in a drawer. So yeah, I spend a day having fun with this Lif Notes Journal Project Pack. I absolutely adore it. So thank you, Tinne, that you made this pack. And check it out, because there is a 70% off for doing these 2 days. So today it's 12th September and the discount coupon is working till the 14th September. So you have 2 days to get this enormous Lif Notes Journal Project Pack for 70% off. So check it out and order. Please go to the website that's below this video, and there was just a little extra thing. Tinne has given me a code that if my followers, my crafty friends, is ordering this from her Etsy shop, then she provided a code. And so if you like to order, and there is a description when you order, you can fill something, a comment in there. So if you fill in SCRAPQUEEN and Vectoria designs are wonderful, then you help me a little to provide me some little of Tinne's wonderful pack too. So yeah, if you like to help me just a little out, so give me a big thumbs up that you like this and you order from me, then please fill in Scrap Queen and Vectoria designs are wonderful. Then you help me too. Alright, so give me a big smile and let me see that you like this, and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video and you like this video, this journal, then please do, and please leave a comment what you think about this wonderful pack and the Lif Notes Journal Project Pack. So 70% off. Check it out, check the Etsy store. I will put the link below. Don't forget to put this on the comment if you order this. Scrap Queen and Vectoria designs are wonderful. I did not invent this. Oh, Joachim said this code. So this is the code. Yeah, then you can help me. All right. So again, big thumbs up if you like me. If you aren't a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel if you like to see more of my things. And thank you, Tinne. Thank you, Vectoria Designs. I love every single page of it, so I hope this will work. Alright, bye bye. Thank you.